Right. So, what's going on now?
Well, the first coat of paint is on the whole trailer. I had a gallon of paint, so I used it. It's old cat yellow.
Yeah, looks
And
very sharp.
everything has a coat. And we're going to finish it tomorrow.
Okay.
And I welded the mufflers. They were cracked, both of them. And I put new exhaust pipes on,
Okay.
and I combed this much of the rad. I still got to comb this one, so all the fins are straight.
Okay. I see it's clean down here.
Yeah, it's all vacuum and under the. Now, I'm gonna get paint to finish the bars and all that in the morning, and then we're just about done. But if you come down here and listen.
Means
The-
bearings are gone, right?
Well, they got to be at least adjusted and greased, eh?
Okay.
All four wheels. Then it is pretty well ready to go.
Okay, so you've blown through this a lot quicker than you thought you were going to.
No, I thought I was going to be quicker. Like we made these guards for deflecting the water off.
Yeah.
Rebuilt this. The ramp part
Yeah, you showed us that the other day.
and a 6,500 pound wrap up.
I noticed you did quite a bit of work here.
Yeah.
How was the pipe bending on that?
Good. It was good. We have a pipe bender.
Okay.
Another thing, there should be a hole drilled here somewhere, and a bolt and a chain that hooks onto an eye here for safety in case this breaks so it doesn't slide off.
Okay.
I bought them, but they're too big, so I gotta take them back and get one size smaller.
Okay. And are you having to redo the seats at all or anything, or no?
They didn't say anything about it.
Okay. This is all done in here as far
It's
as
all done.
okay.
All
And
it would need.
cover for the battery box,
Yeah.
and it's painted. That looks good.
The only thing it would need in the future is wheel bearings, new hose, put the filter on the proper way
Okay.
so it's going up, and then this one's ready to go.
Do you have to do an oil change on this thing,
Oil
or
change was done.
okay?
I don't know if they changed the filter or not, but they marked down it was done.
Okay. So you're almost at the end of this then.
Yeah.
What are you exactly are you waiting on?
I need paint.
Paint.
And the new shafts for these fins.
Okay. So two of them or one?
Yeah, two of them
Where's the other fin?
around the corner.
Okay.
I got two new fins to put on,
Okay.
but they took a week off or something, I guess, because they haven't seen them.
Okay. So you've replaced all the wood that needed to be replaced on
Yeah, just
the
the-
Saturn trailer,
Just the ones that are wrecked.
and scraped everything down, got it all cleaned up.
It's all scraped and sanded.
So
I
what?
need lights though.
Okay.
4 lights. I need some rubbers, and the brakes are pretty well wore out. I don't know if they want to put complete drop pins. It's cheaper than buying parts.
Okay. And that's on both sides.
Yeah, and these grease nipples for the pin.
Okay.
That's the main pin in there. Has never been greased that I know of.
Wow.
So I changed them and managed to get grease in them.
Okay.
I probably should mark an air red down there to
Okay.
grease.
They have they been by to see the progress, and what do they think?
No, I haven't seen them for a week. And then we had holes here wore through from the gravel, eh?
Yeah.
So I welded patches to cover them because in here where the lights are was right full of dirt, eh?
Okay. You still got to do all the wiring yet, or
Yeah,
okay?
not a big deal.
Well, there you
So
go.
I'd like to get that one done first and out. And then we'll take this one, I'd like the paint to cure for a couple days at least.
Okay.
That's it.
Well, there you go. That's what Dad's doing. Are you enjoying your break from bombardiering?
Yeah, good.
Okay. Well, that's it.